Hey guys, it's Mr. Chu, and here's what you're going to learn today. By the end of this video, you should be able to solve quadratic equations using multiple methods. And in this case, we're going to solve this quadratic equation by factoring and using the zero product property. So this problem looks a little bit different than what we've seen so far. So we have 25 minus 50a is equal to negative 9a squared. To make this problem look like all the others we've worked with, we'll start out by adding 9a squared to both sides of our equal sign. That gives us 9a squared minus 50a plus 25 equals 0. Now, this just looks like everything else. We'll factor, listing out our a, b, and c terms. So we'll have ac to be equal to 9 times 25, which is 225. We'll list out our factors. 1, 225, 3, 75, 5, 45, 9, 25, 15, 15. Now, which of these pairs adds up to negative 50? Well, none of them actually do. We actually have to find more factors. We could actually look at negative 1 and negative 225, negative 3, negative 75, negative 5, negative 45, negative 9, negative 25, and negative 15, negative 15. We know that all of the positives don't work because none of them add up to negative 50. Negative 1, negative 225 doesn't work, negative 3, negative 75 doesn't work, but negative 5 and negative 45 works. So, let us factor. We have 9a squared minus 5a minus 45a plus 25 equals 0. Now, the left two terms we will factor, and the right two terms we will factor. On the left, they have an a in common, so we get a times 9a minus 5. And on the right, we have a negative 5 in common. When we factor out a negative 5, we get 9a minus 5. And this is still equal to 0. Now notice that we have a 9a minus 5 and 9a minus 5 in common. What we can do is factor out 9a minus 5 from each of our terms. And what's left is going to be a minus 5 as our other factor. All of this is still equal to 0. Now using the zero product property, we can take each of these factors, set them equal to 0, and solve for our solutions. So we get 9a equals 5. We get a equals 5 over 9. And our second solution is going to be a equals 5. And that's it.